Good day. I'm going to show you how to do a password generator in Python. So first thing we want to do, import random. Then we're going to have a lowercase, and we're going to include the alphabet. Then we're going to have uppercase, include the alphabet, include numbers 0 through 9, and then the symbols. Then we're going to join all of these together with lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. The length that we want our password to be is going to be 10. So now we're going to store our password in a variable called password. And we're going to do the function join random.sample, which takes 2 arguments. It's going to take our password and the length of the password. So we're going to do length 10. So it takes those 2 arguments, and then we're going to print out our password that's generated. So we're going to do print your generated password is password. So let's see what happens when we run the program. See how we just ran that program? It generated our password right here. And each time we run the program, it's going to generate another 10-digit password. And you can keep on doing this. It's offline. It's not online, so there's no way to log it. It's completely bulletproof. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Kept it short. Like my channel, comment, subscribe, and I look forward to making new videos soon.